Exclusive shit only, man. You can't get this right here, man.
Hey, you already know it's your boy One Mike. Hey, I got my cousin Big Critter. You know what I'm saying? We in here. Check it. You think you bout that real shit, but my niggas will kill shit. Already when we hit the scene, put the triple beam. Like cause we listen. Triple beam all red with the black cat. All red in this bitch with the black hat. But best believe that hat got that red unit too. But you don't want none of them tools. What them a do to you? Chop you up, hammer you down into the ground. That pound and lay it down for real. Lay it down, no sound. Niggas you round, niggas that you be round. They some soft ass niggas too. They just some clowns, but my niggas lay it down. Straight for straight, if you want it, you could get it. My niggas got that chrome, watch them hit it. Watch them pull on them triggers, niggas. Them niggas I'm running with just them beasts. Them beasts, man, we let off them leashes, nigga. And my cousin Krill, that's a dumber nigga. Make that nigga pull that trigger with his thumb finger, nigga. That nigga crazy with it. But let's believe that nigga never been fugazi. Watch him pull that thing and watch him get it. Don't think they want it with Trap Squad.
No.
My niggas out that trap, boy.
No.
Ammunition on the Trap Squad.
No.
We bring it to your front and your backyard. Don't think they want it with the Trap Squad.
No.
All my niggas trap, boy.
No.
Bring it to your front and your backyard. They must be talking Trap Squad. They don't want it, now they don't want it. When Critter crunk, then I get up on it. Get all up on these niggas' woman, then I put a can and I put it on them. Where the cash, where the cheese? I want mine like Mickey D's and I sell mine like 2 for 3. And my girl went on a shopping spree. Critter hot, now he on flame. Spitting fire like propane. Critter man is my G name. Baby J, that's your whole name. Nigga, you is a bitch, nigga. Talk to cops, you the snitch, nigga. When I see you, I'ma get with you. Leave your dead surrenders, gon' take pictures. Bitch nigga, I'm from the set. Fuck nigga, I got text. Homeboy, you are not a threat. You're not black cause you're no sweat. Young nigga, by the standards lane, before I come to your city and do my thing. Blow you up and I'm showing up. Trap Squad, what I'm throwing up. That was fucking hot.